Another video, another game. Ano nga pa tayo sa winter spotlight. Winter spotlight. Woo! At may nakuha nga pala akong accessory. Ito nakuha akong accessory. Pugot at hot coffee. Hot coffee nakuha akong accessory. Wow! The fuck? Elite gifts?
Oh, kakainom lang daw eh.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Kukuha tayo ngayon. Yay! What the? Nakakuha ako. Yay! Ang galing! Gagi! Lupit! Nakakuha akong free accessories. Sa susunod magiging limited na yan. Wow! Panis! Galing na ito. Nakuha na rin niya. Ay, meron ka dito. What is this? Huh? Hey bro, what the hell? Max. Uy, ito try natin to. Uy, grabe na! Ano ba yan? Bro, like what the hell? Ito ulit. Go point. Ano ba yan po? 3, 2, 1. Go! Ay, Pop.
Sino nagbigay niya? Ang dami naman.
Bro. She's like a way back then.
Bebe, nagpunta ka kay Inong daddy mo?
Waiting for this man.
Naman yun Yung pala
Yeah, galing. I like this. Parang roller coaster siya, guys. Galing. Bro, you don't need to walk. What the fuck? Need 18 eggs. 18 balls. Yo, what the fuck? Oh! Lagi! Gagi! Grabe si Gar. Jackpot. Oh! Magkasunod ng silota mo. Babalik ulit ako dito.
Alina, baha dyan, no?
Tama, babalik ulit ako doon. Ay, hindi. Baka may sasakay. So, siguro ano mga kami. Waiting for this magic moment. Uwi!
Bakla?
Wait.
Oo, nandun yun. Sabi mo, inom.
Wait. Boom. 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 I will akyat that. I will climb. I will climb that. Let's climb this. Let's do this. What the fuck? Let's do this, bro. Let's do this, brothers. Oh, I'm gonna climb this shit. Oh, I'm gonna climb this shit, bro. Yo, what the hell? Snow. Truck, huh? So, Frost. Nom. No! What the? Long time ago is for sure feel the would be the kind of song. And no reason to justify special it's wanted. That's a phone. No one wants to play this game. Goddamn. Chino. Grabe. Kailangan natin ng 2 balls. 2 balls, 2 balls. We need 2 balls, So, gagawa ko ng video na kukuha ko ng mga balls. Mga gantong balls. Mga ganyang balls. So yun, ngayon, i-explore lang muna natin to. Long time ago, it was so far, I was in a battle song. Bro, what the Sigma boy. Sigma boy. Sigma boy. What the? Bro, come on! Katalaw ko pala ko patot. Come on. Bro. No, my God. Woo! No. Hey, what the fuck? Bro, you look serious. No time I'm coming to solve for a show for a loser function. Can we kill this, bro? Interact. Bundle. Oh. It looks cool. Oh. Looks cool, huh? Looks cool, looks cool. Long tower defensive later beat easy mode. What the frost invasion to get regular token after beating easy mode. Revisit the map, collect pieces of the force spirit hollow and beat him in hard mode. Wait a minute. Pero basta strongest battlegrounds dito. The strongest battlegrounds. Kasi nakakuha ko the frozen soul eh. Alam niyo ba guys sa the strongest battlegrounds nakakuha ko ng na nakapulot lang ako ng parang snowman, tapos meron ako nakita, biglang nag-evolve ata ako, tapos sabi sa akin ng kaibigan ko, sabi niya sa akin, bro, did you just got the frozen soul? So what's that? Hindi ako marunong. Bro, what the hell? Bro, what the? I don't want that. Long time ago, this was also a shuffle or was with a palusol. Green, bro. Oh, panis! Wala kayo parkour ninjas! Panis! Pani. Oh, wala ka pani. Oh, pani. Let's to impress. Gagawin ko yung dress to impress, guys.
Hingin nanay.
Just wait. Pag yung video na to,
Ewan, hindi na ate.
nakakuha ng 2 likes,
Saan mo binigay 3,000? Bebe.
lalaroin ko yung dress to impress. Bro,
Bigay mo kay nanay.
pag yung video to nakakuha ng pag yung video to nakakuha ng 2 likes, maglalaro ako ng dress to impress. Bad idea.
Saan mo?
Royal high. Nah, that's crazy. Stars. Ay. Bro, this will be a bad idea. O sige, pag nakakuha tong video na to ng 2 likes. 2 likes lang, 2 likes. Laro ako dress to impress. 2 likes. Mahirap naman makakuha ng 2 likes eh. Well,
Baka yung dewa na naman. Talaga.
yun na lang. Yun na lang for the video.
Handa pa kayo?
Yeah, bye-bye. Basta, tandaan yung pag yung video to nakakuha ng 2 likes, maglalaro ako ng dress to impress. Pinky promise.
Ay,